Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, the US dollar CAD move up is very strong. I've been saying that this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going down, but we may have to come to the realization that they could just keep on drifting up. Luckily, we should be going with the flow anyways, so really shouldn't matter too much. Going down to the weekly time frame. Now, originally I was saying that this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I still think is possible, but probably more likely this is actually still a wave A, and more likely this is actually the A of B, and this is supposed to be 3 waves down for a B of B, and now we're in a C of B, which most likely will at least retest these highs before it actually does start that 5 wave downtrend for the bigger wave C that we have been waiting for. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very, very strong move to the upside. We have no Fibonacci bounce, we have no breaker structure, and we have no lower high. So I mean, any moves we see to the downside, we have to realize are likely still corrections to the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement, which I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5 waves up. So right now this move down is probably more than likely a correction to the last 5 waves up. So let's pay very, very close attention to our Fibonacci levels for a possible reversal to the upside, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where you can kind of see this correction, possible correction, a little bit clearer. Because if this does go down to any one of these fib levels with a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside, and then a nice big engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would take it as another long opportunity. Like I was saying, we still have to look at any moves we see to the downside as possible corrections to the last wave up. Just like this move down right here was a correction to this, and this move down right here was a correction to this move down right here was a correction to that, and so on and so on. This move down right here possibly could be only a correction to the last wave up. So we need to pay attention to our Fibonacci levels, and we still need to be primarily looking for longs because we have no breaker structure on our roadmap timeframes yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.